Now we will see question number 4 of exercise 5.2, chapter lines and angles. So let us see the question. The question is, find the value of x in each of the following figures if L parallel to M. Now two figures are given to us and we have to find the value of this unknown angle x which is given in the figure. So this is the first figure. So one by one we will see the solution of both this figure. So first we will see the solution of this first part. Okay, so in this figure, this L and M, this line L and this line M, they both are parallel. Okay, and this line T is the transversal. And this angle is given to us 110 degree, and this angle x which is not given, this we have to find out. Okay, so ये वाला angle हमको ढूंढना है. So again, for finding this, we are going to use the properties. Okay, for a transversal we have seen vertically opposite angle, corresponding angle, these all things we have seen. So now we have to think that which property we can use. So first of all, it is given that L is parallel to M, so that is given to us. So given that L is parallel to M. Okay, also vertically opposite angle between the lines is given to us 110 degree. So this is given 110 degree. So this angle 110 is given to us. Now this 110 means this part and this part, okay, they both are vertically opposite angle. So if this is 110, this is also 110. ये भी हो जाएगा 110 degree because they are vertically opposite angle and vertically opposite angles are always equal. So if this is 110, this is also 110. Now you can find out this x. How you can find out? Again we will use another property, and the property is interior angles. These both are interior angles 110 and x. Okay, so interior angle lying on the same side of transversal, they are always supplementary. So their total is always 180 degree. So we have seen in previous video also the property that we are using here. This angle 110 and this angle x, so 110 degree and x, they both are lying on the same side. दोनों same side पे है. This angle is on the right side, this angle is also on the right side, and both are interior angle. So the angles which are lying on the same side of the transversal and that are interior also, so they are always supplementary. तो उनका total always होगा supplementary. So we will write that 110 plus x equal to 180 degree. The reason is they are supplementary angles. Okay, so they are supplementary angle, or you can also write the property that angles lying on the same side of transversal are always supplementary. So 110 degree plus x equal to 180. Now if you solve this, x equal to 180 minus 110. This 110 we will transpose that side. Okay, so the answer will be 70 degree. So what is the measurement of x? This angle x we have got now, and that is equal to 70 degree. So this was first one. Now we will see second part. So this is our second figure. Here A and B, these two are parallel lines, and this line L and this line M, these both are transversals. So there are two transversal given to us. So ये दोनों आपका transversal है, and this line they both are parallel. Now this angle is given to us 100 and this angle is x. This angle is 80. Now this angle is given 80. This is given 100. Okay. So now how you can find out x? You need to see where x is and what कनेक्टिविटी यू कैन गेट. वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल में है किसी के, या कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग है, या अल्टरनेट है, या इंटीरियर है. विच प्रॉपर्टी यू कैन यूज, दैट यू नीड टू थिंक. You need to see the figure carefully. So if you see the figure carefully, this 110 degree, it is on the left side of this line. Also this angle x, it is also on the left side of this line. So they both are on the same positions. So their positions are same. Means they are corresponding angles. We have seen that if the angles are on the same position, then such angles are called corresponding angles, and corresponding angles are always equal. So ये तो आपको directly मिल गया, इसको आपको solve नहीं करना है. So we will see the solution part. This x is also 100. Why? Because this 100 degree and this x, they both are corresponding angle, and corresponding angles are always equal. So directly you can write that x is equal to 100 degree. In bracket you will write the reason, that the reason is corresponding angle. So let us see the solution of this. So this is the solution part. It is given that L is parallel to M and A is parallel to B. So L, M, they are also parallel. A and B, they are also parallel. If you see the figure carefully, 100 degree is given and x, the angle x जो हमको ढूंढना है, so they both are corresponding angle and corresponding angles are always equal. So directly you can write that x equal to 100 degree. The reason is corresponding angle. So this reason you need to write in the bracket. So x equal to 100 degree, the reason is corresponding angle. So this was the solution of question number 4.